What's up guys, welcome to Barrookie. In today's video we're going to find another use case for this already purposeful piece of wood. My biggest rule in the home gym is when you get something, whether it's you DIY it or you buy it, make sure that thing has as much functions as humanly possible. And if you get something that only has one purpose, you better be using that thing a hell of a lot in order to justify getting it. The scenario, so I have this cable machine here, it's absolutely great, but if I do cable rows, and especially seated cable rows, what I end up having is that the weight is pulling me towards the cable machine, which is logical. I slide with it, which is actually a bit impractical. Typical cable machines like this have some feet here. This is walking space for me, so I want to keep the space as open as possible. So what can we do? Well, I came up with the fact that you can use a block, but having just a dedicated block just for that is just stupid, in my opinion. So the block is great because with this block I can go under the cable and I don't need to do any modifications. Boom, it works like that. I can put my feet here. Boom, no problem. But I don't want to have this piece of wood in my home gym, so let's get rid of that idea. And I thought, hey, I have this piece of wood here. Now at the moment it's too high because you know, the cable can't pass through. But I reckon if we put a slot here so that the cable can pass through, this thing can still function as a squat block. This is still an elevated surface. It still ticks off all the boxes for what it was made, and it can have the added purpose of just being here, boom, to hold my feet. So let me get that slot in there and let's do some rows. Out with the old block a bit. Boom. Perfect. It's like I've planned for this. Boom. So now my only fear here is because this wood here is in two parts that it can split in the middle. For that I've foreseen this metal plate here. We'll see if it will hold up. So boom. Ah, woo, boom, 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 much better. This is much better. So there you have it guys, this is me basically making a notch into a block of wood. But all jokes aside, the reason I made this video is to make you think outside of the box. I hope you liked this video, I hope you got something out of it. So I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace.